On this new episode of Does It Really Work?, we tried out 3 cleaning hacks for white shoes using baking soda, toothpaste, and dish soap. So does it really work? Stay tuned to find out. The first hack is using baking soda and water. We use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda and half a cup of water. After mixing them together, we're good to go. We applied the baking soda paste thoroughly on the outside of shoes and let it sit for a while before we scrub. Add a bit of water before scrubbing it as the baking soda can be quite dry. We repeated the steps by applying the baking soda and scrubbing it for 2 to 3 times until we are satisfied with the result. We use our 3-in-1 magic scrub for the edges of the shoes to scrub more effectively. Watch till the end to see if this hack really works. The second hack is using toothpaste. We remove the shoelaces, then we spread the toothpaste thoroughly on a shoe. Dab the brush with water beforehand so that it's easier to scrub. We did this for a few times until we see the difference and use a smaller brush for smaller surface area like the shoe tongue and bigger brush for the sides. Can you see the difference? Seems like toothpaste is really quite effective. After cleaning the shoes, we scrub the shoelace with toothpaste and rinse it. The third hack is using dish soap and toilet paper. We actually saw this hack on TikTok and decided to give it a try. Let's see if it really works. We rinse and make sure the shoes are soaked before adding in dish soap, and don't forget to remove your shoelaces. We added quite a bit of dish soap on the shoes here. Scrub shoes with dish soap and repeat the steps. We could not tell the difference as the shoes are soaked, but we made sure to scrub every part of the shoe. After we are done with the shoes, we scrub the shoelace with the same soap. And some of the stains are actually quite hard to remove, so we had to scrub it for a few times. We then covered the shoes with toilet paper using 1 square each time. Make sure the shoes are wet and soaked so that the paper will stick on it. Time to set the shoes to dry and wait for a day to see how it goes. After drying it for a day, yellow stains are formed on the paper. We are convinced that the paper helped to absorb the dirt on the shoes. We peeled off the paper and the result was quite impressive. The shoe appeared to be whiter than before, though the result was not obvious when we were scrubbing the shoes. Although it was not entirely spotless, we felt that the paper hack did help to remove certain stains on the shoe. The result turned out pretty good, as you can see the shoes have no more yellow stains. We could recommend this method for canvas shoes if you want to prevent your shoes from turning yellow after washing it. The baking soda method did not work as well as compared to the other 2 methods. It removed some dirt on the shoes, however, some parts of the shoes turned yellow after drying it. The toothpaste method has the most drastic change. It's definitely worth trying. 10/10 would recommend. So does it really work? In our opinion, the toothpaste method works the best for us. We have tested it. Now it's your turn to try it out for yourself.